Presenting the TCI GM6L 80E Streetfighter transmission package. Features and benefits of the Streetfighter transmission are: high-performance clutches and steels are built for higher horsepower durability. A billet pump rotor and machine pump featuring upgraded sprag assemblies for more holding power. New electronic components for enhanced control and reliability. And pressures and shift characteristics are verified with dynamometer results included with the transmission. Next, we have the 8HP70 deep aluminum pan and dipstick kit. This innovative pan allows you to check your oil and refill it with the aid of an integrated dipstick. It offers greater durability than the factory plastic pan. It also offers 1 extra quart of oil capacity and even has a provision for an oil temperature sensor. Visit our website to learn more at tciauto.com.